Look at that cock. Where's the Hampton cover? Oh, I know. And then the kitty over there. I want one. How much are they? $69.99. You can get a chicken here. Hey, how are you? Yeah, we came in here for like fish and y'all got like chickens and everything.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, sweet.
Yeah, a little bit of everything. And there. Close to it. And there you go. You know what? Actually, let's go on this side so we're not right by it.
Kitty. I don't see any lizard or gecko. I want a turtle. 70 plus years. Look at the turkeys. The turkeys, look at them. Look at the kitties. I'm getting clear. Look at that one. Look at that one. I'm sorry. Look at that. Look at that. They're playing. They're killing each other. There's mommy. I guess that's mommy. Meow. This is cool as fuck. Handle animals, cracks and nuts. Touch them. So that was Pratt's Pets. Came in here for fish and got everything else.